morning, students. Now discuss the second video. Already I told no very important theorem form. Limit extends to a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, here n is any integers, any value, okay, any integer value. So limit extends to a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. It is the general form. Now we can discuss the form of these problems. See exercise 9.2, exercise 9.2, sum number 1. They given limit extends to 2 x power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2. See, what is the form of this formula? Limit extends to a. Here given extends to 2, so a is equal to 2. See, what is the form of the formula? X power n. Here given x power 4, but here given minus 16. See, denominator x minus 2 is there, so 16 can be changed a power of 2. So what is 2 into 2 into 2? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 power 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So if we 2 multiply 4 times means we get 16. So it can be written as x power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2. Limit extends to 2 can be written as x power 4 minus 2 power 4 divided by x minus 2. So what is the result of this form? N into a power n minus 1. Here a is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. So 4 into 2 power 4 minus 1. So what is the result? 4 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 8. That the answer is 32. So we can say the result using this form. This form is called a indeterminate form, but we get the answer. Okay, the second problem. Limit extends to 1 x power m minus 1 divided by x power n minus 1. See which form you want. X power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. But here x minus a is not given. So we can divide it by x minus a on both numerator and denominator. But don't divide it by x minus a. X power m means is x only, but 1 means 1 power 1, 1 power m. Anything power 1 is 1 only. We can multiply 1 is any number of times, we get the answer is 1. So it can be written as x power m minus 1 divided by x power n minus 1. Limit extends to 1 can be written as x power m minus 1 power m divided by x minus 1. This also you can follow same way. X power n minus 1 power n divided by x minus a. So take the limit separately. So this is the form of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. So n into a power n minus 1 only, no? So the same way we can write m into 1 power m minus 1. Here, see, x power n minus 1 power n divided by x minus a, that is 1, n into 1 power n minus 1. So m by n. See, step by step. It's given separately using the formula. Okay. See, next problem. Limit root x tends to a, root x tends to 3 x square minus 81 divided by root x minus 3. Here instead of x, root x is there. X பதிலா என்ன பாருங்க, root x இருக்கு. So you can change the all x by root x. So limit root x tends to 3 x square can be written as root x power 4 minus 81. 8 means 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. If you 4 times 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So it's a 3 power 4. So root x minus 3. So the answer is, it's a form of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Instead of x, root x is there. Instead of a, 3 is there. Instead of n, 4 is there. So 4 into 3 power 4 minus 1. So 4 into 3 power 3. So 4 into 27. The answer is 108. Is also form of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Limit x tends to a. See, step by step. Okay, you can understand or not? Very easily you can understand. This is a very, very important form. In higher studies also we get this form. The next sum. Limit h tends to 0 root of x plus h minus root x divided by h. If you put h is equal to 0 means we can get root x. So root x minus root x divided by 0. So root x minus root x is also 0. So we can get the 0 by 0 form. So it is indeterminate form. So you can do any simplification and then say answer. Say if we given this form means we can simply multiply the conjugate. If we given minus means root x plus h minus root x given means we can take the conjugate plus. See, minus is there, no? Take plus both numerator and denominator. If you multiply this means this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. Here I can simply write h into this. So if a square means root will cancel. So we can get x plus h. Root of x plus h whole square is simply x plus h. Root x whole square means it's a x. So x plus x minus x is cancelled. We get only h. Now h is cancelled. See, h is cancelled. You understand or not? First the given this the root x plus h minus root x. It's minus given. Take the conjugate plus. Okay. So this is a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square If square means root will cancel, so x minus x is cancelled, so h by h into root of x plus h plus root x. So if h is 1 by this, now we can substitute root of x plus h is put h is equal to 0, so we can get root x plus root x. So 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x. See, step by step, minus is there, take the conjugate. After simplification, we get this form. Then the limit h tends to 0 only, no? So you can put h is equal to 0. You get this answer. Okay. The next sum. Limit x tends to 5. Okay. Root of x plus 4 minus 3. Is also same form, you know, no? பாருங்க, முன்னாடி சம் மாதிரி இல்லை, ஹெச்சுக்கு பதிலாக 4ன்னு இருக்குது, அப்படி 3. இதுக்கு அப்படி காஞ்சிகேட்டரில் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாங்களா? லிமிட் எக்ஸ் டென்ஸ் டு 5. காஞ்சிகேட் என்ன வரும்? root x plus 4 minus 3 divided by x minus 5. So we can take the conjugate root x plus 4 plus 3 root x plus 4 plus 3. மேலே எதை வச்சு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டா அதே கீழே மல்டிப்ளை, அப்போ தான் கேன்சல் ஆகும். So a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So x plus 4 minus 9. 3 square is 9. So we can get x minus 5. So x minus 5, x minus 5 is cancelled. That is the zeros of polynomials cancelled. Now we can substitute. Root of x plus 4 means we can put x is equal to 5. So root of 5 plus 4. So root 9, 3 plus 3, 1 by 6. Okay. Suppose we given any form like that, means take the conjugate. Please see step by step. Don't feel any difficult. It's a very simple only, but it is very important. Since you are studying higher studies, you know which one is the dictionary of mathematics, you know, that 11th standard syllabus only, dictionary of mathematics of higher studies. So please read thorough in first year higher secondary syllabus. You can go through in your textbook. You must go through line by line, not only mathematics, for all subjects. Then only you can understand the subject. This is a very, very important for you. Okay, anyway, you can come to subject. It's there. So take the conjugate and then. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, in this form we can take the LCM. LCM means 1 by x minus 1 by 2 is there. So take the LCM means 2x. Take the cross multiplication 2 minus x. 2 minus x. So if you minus a common, take the minus. Take the minus means minus x can be changed plus x. Plus 2 can be changed minus 2. So minus of x minus 2 divided by 2x. So x minus 2 is cancelled. What is the reason, you know? Sir, shall I put directly x equal to 2? It's wrong, sir. If you substitute directly x is equal to 2 means we get 0 by 0 form. Already I told you, know 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity is not exist form. So in this case we can simplify and then simplify and then substitute. First of all you can simplify and then substitute. So we get this answer. Okay, so now we can discuss sum number 1. What is sum number 1? X power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2. What is sum number 2? X power m minus 1 divided by x power n minus 1. What is sum number 3? Square minus 81 divided by root x minus 3. What is sum number 4? Root x plus h minus root x by h. All is form of 0 by 0. It's a indeterminate form. It's a indeterminate form. So indeterminate form means 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. That is of like that infinite values. So it can, how to you can simplify the formula? You can do any simplification and then substitute the limits and apply the limits apply the limit means x tends to 5 means you can put x is equal to 5. Okay, anyway I appreciate all the students. Yesterday you can all write the test paper very neatly and correctly. If you are writing without seeing any materials means it's a very good. Some students are doing this much of mistake means please again you can read the questions and do the answers. So it is a very important questions for you. If you want go to higher studies, that means if you are facing any competitive exam means that problem will come definitely. So please we can go through all the vectors problem. It's a very important for you. Okay, that's only I can conducting test first time. Okay, after completed second volume then only we can go to first volume. What is the reason? You know that second volume chapters are very important for your higher studies. So you can read the second volume thoroughly for all subjects. Okay, in first volume what are the important chapters? You know that is one chapter is the last chapters. It's analytical geometry. That is very important chapters for you in first volume. Okay, next important chapter is binomial theorem and then permutation combination, so like that. Okay, some basic algebra chapter is also there, that also you know somewhat, and first and second and chapters for lower class level you know somewhat, but the second volume chapters are entirely you don't know. So you can read the second volume chapters thoroughly. Okay, thank you very much students. Once again I can thank you. I appreciate for all students writing the test, complete the test. Okay, thank you. We can follow the same way in future also. Thank you.